high glider. If you watch my video online, please hit a like or give me a view or messages, please. And then I'm gonna teach you how to fold it. Fold it in half. Make sure the corners are lined up like this. And then open that back up and make sure the triangle goes straight to the center crease. Like this. And then do the same thing on the other side. And then fold this whole top triangle down. Make sure this is becoming a point like that. And make sure it's on both sides, and then before taking your crease. And then you're gonna fold that. Then do the same thing. Fold the triangles to the center crease, like this. And then fold that down. And then flip it over and make sure the crease are very sturdy. And then fold your plan in half. Like this. Now fold it straight down like this. And then there's one step to do. Fold this a little bit up like this. And then fold that back down like this. Then pretty unfold that so it looks like that. And then do the same thing on the other side. And there you go. There's your high glider. And one question. Make sure the wings look like this. Thank you. Good luck.